In this video, I will walk you through the process of how to change your telephone number in Lloyds. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So there are two ways you can do this, through your app or through the website. With the app, you have to follow these steps. Sign in and click on the profile and setting icon located in the upper right corner. Click on edit next to your mobile details and follow the prompts displayed on the screen. For verification, you'll need to enter your password. The modification will either be implemented instantly or you may be instructed to contact Lloyds by phone, visit your nearby branch or receive an OTP via mail to finalize the change. After this, you'll see the update the next time you log in or within 48 hours. With the website, follow instead these steps. Access your account and choose your profile from the navigation bar at the top of the page. Under your personal details, select Change your contact details and then choose Change phone number under your contact details. Within this section, you can add and revise all your phone numbers. To confirm your identity, you need to re-enter your password. The modification will be implemented immediately, or you may be prompted to contact Lloyds by phone, visit your local branch, or receive an OTP via mail to finalize the change. Once completed, you'll observe the update the next time you log in or within 48 hours. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.